Alright, we're here at the Waterloo Wellington Airport in Kitchener, Ontario. And this is a Cessna 172 aircraft, 172N, built in 1978. One of our Flying Club's mini airplanes. We've got some newer ones that are painted nicer color than these older brown and orange ones. Not a very big airplane, 4-seater, 160 horsepower engine. Fairly basic cockpit, basic instruments, not a lot to it. Co-pilot's position, pilot's position on the left as usual, back seat, and a little bit of storage space. We've got about 7 172s and I think 6 152s. They're the smaller 2-seaters. That's a smaller 2-seater 152 there. And we have a couple of Catanas as well, built in London, Ontario. And we were flying Yankee Bravo Victor this morning. Alright, nice day for flying.